Hello everyone, welcome to a Waste Free World videos. What we do at Waste Free World is give you alternatives to plastic products so you can help the environment go plastic free and actually get products which are better for you as well. Today I'm talking about one of the products that we first got in when we first launched the store. This is a reusable cutlery kit. So as you can see, it contains everything you need to be eating and drinking on the go. You've got a spoon, you've got a knife, you've got a bamboo straw with a cleaner, and you've got a fork. And it comes all in this handy little pouch, which is super easy and super small to just pop in your bag. So why do you need to have a reusable cutlery kit with you wherever you go? Well, if it's not obvious, it's because single-use plastic bits of cutlery like this will never ever break down, and a lot of the times, because they're so small and light, they do end up being blown into the ocean and marine life being caught or eating them. These things are just poison to the earth, and we need to refuse them. We need to refuse knives, forks, spoons, and of course plastic straws. So what the cutlery kit does is that you've got everything in your bag for you, so you never have to be caught like I was with this plastic spoon. If you do, of course, try and bring it home and continue using it. But once you've bought your cutlery kit, that should never have to happen again. It's a great product which allows you to refuse plastic cutlery, refuse plastic straws, all in one. If you take it wherever you go, you will never get caught out again. So take a look at it at our store at wastefreeworld.com, alongside lots of other plastic and waste-free products which will help you save the environment and be better to yourself.